going on, everyone? Ignacio here, back with another video. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Today I'm joined by my special guest, Rizu, making a public appearance on her day off. Right? Today's your day off, right?
Yeah, right. It's my first day off.
First day off in a while. And today we wanted to bring y'all a cool video on how we save money to travel. That's something that a lot of people ask us, like, how did y'all do it and stuff like that. So most of the stuff is not going to be like big secret or anything. We didn't really do nothing special, which you'll find out here in a minute. So with that, let's get started. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is something that people don't really expect when it comes to making money. What I'm about to say might shock you guys, but what we did is we worked and got a job to make money. And Liz, if you wanted to give us some of the background, I guess your origin story on how you started this journey to traveling.
Okay. So like you said, I got a job.
Yeah. And
pretty much since high school and then from college, because after college is when I started traveling.
Mm-hmm.
So between that time, which is like 5 years or something, I got a job and I was working pretty much that whole time.
Yeah.
So that's about 5 years of saving money.
Mm-hmm.
So, but it wasn't saving money to travel.
Mm-hmm.
So, like when I got a job after high school, I was saving money, but my goal was like to buy a car.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, it was like to get an apartment.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, I would say it would be to travel.
Mm-hmm.
So in between those times, I had different types of jobs. So I was a cashier.
Mm-hmm.
That was like my first real job.
Mm-hmm.
And that was the longest one I've had. And then I also worked at the college in the housing thing, in the housing department. And then I also did like cleaning jobs, like clean offices, clean restaurants. And before I graduated college, though, I did get a job in my field of what I graduated in. So I had, different kinds of jobs throughout that time, and then I just saved money and I made travel my priority.
So it's kind of like you built that discipline to just save money for an ultimate goal, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. I guess my origin story was kind of the same. I started working right out of high school. I worked at a plant, like manual labor, for the first, I think 2 years. And then from there, that's pretty much all I had. But I did get my career job while I was in school, because I graduated 6 years later. I was a dual major, but I was also working 40 hours a week. So like I put myself through that stress just because I had goals. So I think I got my career job the last year of school that I had, and then I worked it for another year, and then that's when I decided to quit. But like you, my first goal was my car. Well, actually no, I actually started spending all my money on stuff that I wanted. I was on that path. But then later I wanted my car, so I saved for that. And then later I didn't really know what to save, but you kind of had an influence on me and stuff. So I was just generally saving, not really for a purpose, but also to whenever I wanted or needed something, it wouldn't be a struggle for me to just pay it off. So then later on, when we decided to travel, then that's where all my money was going to. That's what I was generally saving for. In the breaks that we had in traveling, I would also keep myself busy by doing little side jobs here and there. Mainly it was like shoot pictures for people and stuff and shoot weddings. But besides that, I was also reselling clothes. So like I'm really into clothes, and whatever I could get, I like to resell, I would do it. So I was mainly just reselling like Supreme or some sneakers that I was like lucky to just get my hands on. So I would just sell that, and I would make pretty good money out of that too.
So I think like a lot of people have the assumption that to travel you have to have like a really nice job, a really good paying job.
Yeah.
But that's not true. Like,
no, that's not the case.
Like I started traveling, and that time. So I already had the money that I needed to travel before I even had a career job.
Yeah.
So, I think that's just important to know because, when people ask me, they're like, oh, what kind of job do you do or whatever, because they think that I make a lot of money. But I don't. I probably make as much as them or less, but I just save it.
Yeah. It's nothing hard. You just save money and work. It's that simple. Make wise choices. Like now, the stuff that I buy is just, it's just really has to be like, do I really need it? And if I don't, then I can live without it, and that's okay with me.
So like there was a period where between transitioning from moving here to Japan and still being in America, where I wasn't working, I wasn't able to have a real job at that point. Like there was no point in it because I was gonna move here.
Yeah.
So things that I did to save money, because I didn't just sit around just because I didn't have a job. So things that I did to save money was I babysat quite a lot, and I did yard sales sometimes when I could.
Yeah.
And then another thing that I did was online work. So like I wrote articles online and I got a little bit money from that.
Yeah, you made a pretty good bit just for writing stuff online.
So there's different ways to make money, even if you're not able to have a job, just to at least make something. It doesn't have to be a lot of money, but if you're actively trying to make money and trying to save money for something, then you're going to have that money set for what you want to use it on.
Right.
But overall, just to keep working is have a job and save money.
Yeah, just find things that you're good at, and there's probably ways that you can make money on it, but as long as you have the goal, like she said, to travel, do things to save up for that, go ahead and plan your trip, and then you'll see that you'll be able to save up for that goal. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe. We're going to come out with more videos that involve travel and photography later, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And make sure to follow me at Nacho Travel. That's where I post all my pictures. And we hope you guys have a great day. Peace.